Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE Ultra Twitter lag issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here open battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update. And then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your software, go back and here open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here open Twitter. Now go to the storage of Twitter and then clean the app data and cache memory of Twitter. And after that, go back and then click on General Management. Now here scroll down and click on reset and then scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm and then enter your lock screen passcode.